Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be a very quick unboxing. I am so excited to be able to have this item in my collection. It is an item that has been out for a while, I'll say maybe a couple years, but every time I try to go and purchase it, it is always sold out. So I did pick this one up on the secondhand market, and it is new with tags based on the photos. And so I am just so excited to have this. So I am a huge breast cancer awareness supporter, and I have been for probably close to 20 years. I had a really good family friend about 20 years ago who passed away of breast cancer, and ever since then I have been a huge supporter, and I always look forward to the month of October. So I also have several family members that have either passed away or currently fighting this very ugly disease, and I am so excited to be able to add this item to my collection. And I also want to give a huge shout out to all of the survivors out there, as well as any of our sisters and divas who has lost the battle to this ugly disease. So I want to also thank all of those who have been in a position of having to support and care for someone who has dealt with or who is currently dealing with this disease. So anyway guys, let's get to the unboxing. So again, I am so excited to be able to add this. And you guys are probably thinking like, what in the world is in this flat box? Because as you all know, this is one thing that we hate to see whenever we order something and it comes in a flat box. So trust me on this one. It is perfectly okay. So let me take a quick look. You guys, I'm just so excited. Okay, look at this. Oh, look how she packaged it. And she did say, guys, that it will be packed in the bag that it came in, but I didn't think that she meant literally. It is literally packed in the Dooney Bourke bag from the outlet. So here it is, and it even has a little tag on here, and it has her information on here. Oh, this is a nice little touch. So let's see. All right, guys, so let's see. Okay, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This is the Dooney Bourke medium lunch bag, and it is made of this plasticky or very hard plasticky type material that most of the cosmetics cases are made out of. Oh my. Wow, look at this, guys, and it is new with tags. And these are sold out online because I've been looking pretty much for the last 2 or 3 months, and it has been sold out. So I was so excited to be able to see this new with tags. So let me just take the paper out. I also want to thank the seller for allowing me to have this in my collection. Oh man, look at this. So I plan to use this for a lunch bag or even a travel bag. If I am going out of town, I plan to use it as a travel bag. It is a really decent size, guys. Look at this. It has a really large base on it. this is exactly what I wanted. Oh man. Oh man, very nice. As you can see, it has the Dooney and Bourke here on the front with the little breast cancer ribbon here. So cute. And these are the original tags. And let's see, it has the Dooney and Bourke here on the front, and then on this side it says Dooney and Bourke supports breast cancer awareness and research. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is another reason why I love the Dooney and Bourke brand, because they do so many wonderful things. And again, this is the medium shopper. And then on the back of this card here, it says Dooney and Bourke is proud to partner with the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. For every pink ribbon bag that we sell, 20% will be donated to the organization's vital research efforts. Absolutely love it. And the straps on here, as you can see, it is leather on the straps. It has the little grommets here, very well made. And on the back, it has the same Dooney and Bourke stamp there. Absolutely beautiful. A very pretty shade of pink. Love it, love it. So let me just do some quick mod shots just to kind of show you how this bag can be carried. And again, like I said, I plan to carry it as a lunch bag, or maybe just something to put my cosmetics in, my cosmetics case in, and toiletries whenever I'm traveling. But for the month of October, I do plan to carry this as a regular handbag, maybe throw in a clear cosmetics case or a pink wallet or something like that, and I will rock it just like that, guys. So anyway, let's get to the mod shots. Okay guys, so here she is being carried by the crook of the arm. So you won't get that handbag type of feel, well at least I don't. I get just what it is, a lunch bag. But I do plan on carrying it as a bag for the month of October. You can carry it on the shoulder if you, and here's how it looks on the shoulder. I don't have much room left under the arm, but it will fit on the shoulder if I need it to be hands-free. And I think that is very cute. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I want to give a big shout out to the Doonieistas of the Den for allowing me to share their beautiful Think Pink themed photos from the bags that they carried last Thursday for Think Pink Thursday. So thank you again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.